Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit photo and apply filter in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Photoshop application and I'm going to choose a photo from my device. I'm just going to choose random photo, for example this one. And here in the Photoshop, we'll be able to use some tools to edit our photo. We can do adjustment and then crop our photo, make it smoother, edit the face, reshape it, and draw on our photo. You can also change the background of your photo if you want. And then you can also add tag, sticker, or border. You can choose the tool according to your need. And here, for instance, I'm going to draw on my photo. So I'm going to select draw and I'm going to customize the brush size. I'm going to make it smaller and customize the feather as well. Okay, and for the color, I'm going to choose this green color. And we can draw on our photo like this. And then if we want to apply filter, we can go to the looks and then choose the filter you want to apply to your photo. Okay, for the filter, I'm going to use this one guys, and as you can see that the filter has been applied. You can also customize the value of the filter just like that. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit photo and apply filter in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.